a little help for group 1. Yesterday we were dealing with this exercise, but we were a bit stuck, so I decided to leave it alone, and we continued with another exercise. But I would like to show you the first steps in order to help you to solve, okay? Remember that in this case, these numbers, we should write it outside because 34 is the addition of these 4 areas. The same happens with this other number, is the addition of these 4 areas, and at the end, this number is the addition of these 4 areas. Okay? So, knowing that, we are going to work with this x. Okay? In this case, we don't know. Look at the exercise. We don't know how many students liked the 3 fruits. Okay, so this is our x. Then here it says that 11 liked apricots and bananas. So apricots, sorry. Here we have apricots and bananas, right? So the intersection would be 11 minus x. What about apricots and cherries? Here it says that 17 liked apricots and cherries. So 17 minus x. And then we have the students who liked bananas and cherries are 15. So in the intersection, we write 15 minus x. But what about this, the value of this x? Well, the other information that we are going to take into account is this 19. Here it says that 19 liked exactly 2 of the following fruits: apricots, bananas, and cherries. So we know that these 4 areas, sorry, not 4, these 3 areas, the students who liked only, but the students who liked 2 fruits, only 2 fruits, it doesn't matter which fruits, is this number, okay? This amount of students liked exactly 2 of the following fruits. So what we are going to write is this equation. Sorry about that. I will erase it. So we are going to write that 19 equals the addition of these 3 areas. Okay, so we have 17 minus x plus 15 minus x plus 11 minus x. So here we are going to write this number. Here we have 3 minus 3x, and then this would be 43, and that's how we find the value of the x. This would be a little help for group 1 part 2. Well, as you have seen on the previous video, I have found the value of x. I directly write 8, but you have to do all the steps, okay? Remember that we had 19 equals 43 minus 3x. Then we do this subtraction. 19 minus 43 equals minus 3x, and then we divided this 24 divided 3, and the result is 8. Now we are going to replace the value of the x on the Venn diagram. This is going to be 8. Sorry. Here we have 7. And here it's going to be 3. And here 9. So what I need to calculate is the number of students who liked only apricots, only cherries, and only bananas. Okay, but this part is easier because what we have to do is to subtract from the 34 all the rest numbers. Okay, so these 3 numbers minus 34, and the same with the cherries. Okay, these 3 numbers, and the same with the bananas, these 3 numbers. Okay, great. Let me erase this so we continue. Oh, great. Now we write the numbers. 34 minus 9 minus 8 minus 3. And this is 14, I think. Let me check. Yes, 14. The same, we do the same, sorry. I'm a bit stuck with my pronunciation. We do the same. And this is 9. And the same with bananas. 12. Okay, so now what we have to do is to answer the questions. Here it says, question A, how many students liked apricots but not bananas or cherries? So the answer is going to be 14 liked only apricots. Okay. Then question B, how many students like cherries but not bananas or apricots? So we have to check on the cherry on the set C, and the answer is 9. Okay, 9. Well, let's see the question C. How many students like all of the following 3 fruits? And this is number 8. And finally, letter D. Like apricots and cherries, but not bananas. And this is number 9. And that's how we end